Okay guys, check it out. So it has been a really long time since I've built coffee tables, but I've got these two coffee tables I'm putting together right now. They're sort of the prototypes. One of them is gonna be the ultimate wizard table. The other one's gonna be the ultimate America table. If you haven't seen the America table, check out my YouTube channel. These ones, I'll show you how they're gonna work by splicing in videos of other tables I've done. So this is gonna have a drawer that folds out this way, and then it'll pop up and I'll splice a video showing sort of how that's gonna work. But there's gonna be a bunch of added features to this table that I've never really done before. One of them is a big long drawer that comes right out of the bottom. It's 4 foot by 20 inches wide. So you could really fit a bunch of stuff in there. For the America table, you'll see why that's important. Right here, I'm gonna have a chessboard, and you do something to the chessboard and it's gonna pop up. I'll show you how that works, but you'll also be able to lock the chessboard with this old skeleton key mechanism. You can get these at Home Depot. They come with a cool skeleton key. And I'll show you how I've used these in the past. Just in case you're a woodworker and you like to build stuff like that, I'll splice in a video of that. I like this color quite a bit better. So first off, need the wand, and using the wand, find the key, makes the key fall down, and then using the wand, you open the compartment there, put the key in, unlock it, pushing the knot, makes the lever fall down. Opens it up with this button. This is the lever. You turn the lever. Okay guys, so this is this week's hardware. So I'll show you how I did this hardware. See that little hole? It's gonna have a little wooden button that goes on there, but on this side, you poke in that whole hole. Oh, wait. So that falls down. It's a little sticky because I just painted it, but then that falls down and that's what turns. So really simple hardware, but you know.
Simple?
It's simple.
I don't think so. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a little sticky because it's a little wet, but yeah, that's how that works. The hinge that I used to get it to pop up, sort of a tricky hinge. I had to invent it myself, but I did make a video of how I built it on YouTube. So that's why I'm filming this way instead of this way. So when I splice in those other videos, it doesn't go back and forth. But anyways, but the really exciting thing is now that I've got this huge bookshelf, I can start filling it with books. And the first book, well, the first reading book I gotta splice it with, or start filling it with, is an anthology that I actually wrote a short story in. So you can find that on Amazon, Barnes & Noble. I've got a little short story in there called Other Side of Thunder. Pretty cool. I've got these other books that I stole from my dad. They're his great-grandpa's. He actually has like 100 of them. And they're like, so they're Swedish. What is that? They're from like the 1800s. It's like a secret map to a hidden treasure. 1930. That's cool. It's like an old church thing from 1930. No, these books, oh, it smells old. That's weird. Chester Copperpot, I wish. No, these old books are translated from English into Swedish, but they were translated in the 1800s, and they're just, I mean, look at this. Look how old that is. So cool. He's got a bunch of them. I want to steal them all and put them up here. But I need to fill up the rest of my bookshelf because obviously I'm going to get the classics. I'm going to start putting in some really cool books. If you have favorites, let me know. I would love to find new books, new series to read. Love to fill that completely chock full of just Class A books. But yeah, pretty excited. I just barely started building coffee tables again for the first time. And I think the last one I built was a year and a half, 2 years ago. So coffee tables are really my specialty. I love building the desk. I love building chests and stuff like that. Oh, actually, check this chest out. Hold on, let me spin this. So this chest right here, I never actually finished it. So I never sold it. But one of the coolest things about it, I think, I'll just show you the one thing, is if you look right there, you see a blue eye looking out. And you can poke the blue eye. And if you poke the blue eye and look in this hole, let's see there's a guy down there. It's a little dusty down there at the bottom of the lens, but you can sort of see there's a guy that's trapped in the bottom of the chest, but when you open it up, he's not in there. It's just an optical illusion. Maybe I'll try to get that dusty out. Hold on. I can't get it focused on the hole, but yeah, I'm excited. These are gonna be awesome. And I was thinking about adding a couple features that are like, so my favorite video game when I was a kid was Zelda. And basically Zelda, if obviously you know, is just a series of games and puzzles and whatnot that it goes on. And so I wanted to make it not necessarily wizard, but more like a mystery puzzle, you know. If you're around town and you want to try this, feel free to stop by. Nobody has made it to the hinge yet. Which, pretty pathetic considering I'm the one who built it. So if you have any great ideas for a table, interactive coffee table, let me know. I'm going to be building a bunch more wizard type tables. The last one I built was like 310 pounds, so I couldn't ship it through the normal mail, so it cost too much, but I'm going to be building more of them that are lighter, smaller, but wizard table all the same. If you're interested in one of those, let me know, so I can know how many to build. Button around the corner makes those all pop out. These are the drawers. You got this key. This key goes right in here, clicks in, that locks it in place, makes it so this drawer opens up. Then if you turn the key this way, makes it the drawer open a little bit further. But then if you shut it, turn it the other way, it opens up the second drawer. If you have any ideas or things that you think would just absolutely need to go in there, please let me know, because I'm like in the process. I'm just starting to do all the mechanics. I'm just starting to add all the secret little things into there, and I love ideas. Oftentimes I'll use good ideas. Like, obviously, I'm not an idiot. So yeah, let me know. Yeah, check out my book on Barnes & Noble or Amazon. It's called Tales We Tell This Guy from Caffeine and Ink. And oh, check out YouTube channel. There's more videos of me building stuff. And yeah, appreciate it. Thanks. Anyways, so when these prototypes are done, I'll make sure everybody likes them, and then we'll start taking pre-orders on those. And yeah, get you some coffee tables with some cool compartments on them.